Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. You hear the deer barking in the background. This morning I've come out to Wicken Fen. Wicken is the National Trust's oldest reserve. It was the first reserve that they created, I guess. It's not far from me, 20 minutes or so. So I do come here fairly regularly. Clocks went back last night, so you can hear the deer. Monkjack probably. So yeah, clocks went back last night, so although it's only just about 8 o'clock, obviously in terms of light it's more like 9 o'clock, but we'll see what's around, what we find, and I'll catch up with you soon. So I'm on the wider part of the reserve, and there's a farm in the middle, and that wood pile in the middle there has been rebuilt recently. But historically it's been home to, well, not home, but it's definitely a favoured perch of little owls. But I haven't seen any for ages, so I'm wondering if they're still around. Quite a quiet walk. There's a lowland rescue practice going on, so there's lots of high-vis bodies around the place, which probably hasn't helped, but that's fine. It's a beautiful morning. Sat down and there's a kingfisher. I don't normally come in the hides. Gonna get some video. So I've almost back to the car and decided I would actually come inside the reserve. It's the bit that you would need to be a National Trust member to come in for free, otherwise you need to pay. And I've come into their hide, the first hide inside, which I've been in plenty of times before. It's quite close to the visitor centre. Never ever seen anything here. Probably because I don't sit long enough. I'm not really a hide sort of photographer. I thought I'll sit and have a snack. And I've got a kingfisher. blustery Wicken Fen, which was, I thought, going to be a really quiet walk, and then in the end I just stopped in that hide for a quick snack, because I'm not normally one to sit in hides. I prefer to go for a walk. And there was that kingfisher. So really, really excited to see him, and sat and posed for a while. Actually, it might not be him, it might have been a her. I'll have to have a look. Yeah, brilliant. So, just want to say thanks very much for watching. I'll see you again soon.